Oh, look at that. Came back right as that clock was ending. Let's flip on over. Oh, I didn't even open Godot. Turn this music down just a smidge. We need to boot up a sprite as well, because today we are back into... This should be a tool. There we go. We are back into getting a lot of this loot done. Count alert. I don't know what this means, Steam. Why do I have an account alert? Hold up, I'm really confused here. Wait, what? Oh, it's right here. We have updated the... Okay. Really concerned there. There we go, now it's gone. Well, I was seeing a thing about, like... When I googled this account alert thing on Steam, one of them was saying, like, fraudulent activity or something like that. Another thing was talking about a Steam wallet. I just had... Someone just gave me a Steam gift card the other day. And I was confused, but the funds are there. I don't know. But it was apparently just a subscriber agreement needed to be accepted. Okay, crisis averted. I need to up this music just a smidge for me. Hopefully, I was gonna balance it being loud enough for me to hear, but like not too loud for everyone else. So did we complete the drill? I can't remember. We did. I'm not a huge fan of it, but we'll see what it looks like in game. Actually, honestly, let's... This one I want to see. Hater indicator. That's not what I wanted. Oh, come on. Okay, there we go. See, let's grab that. Let's throw this in here because this one I'm not completely sold on. See, I don't... The drill's just not vibing with me. Remember the magazine, since that is technically a gun. Actually, the funny thing is I could equip it. Let me... Like, I can... Whoa, but why is... Oh, you know what? Because I think that I have the icon saved in the inventory item, and that's where it's pulling this. For a second, I was like, "What?" But yeah, I have the path to the sprite in the inventory item, so I can cut down on loading, unnecessary loading. But in the game, it's running out with a little drill that can shoot, which is really funny. But yeah, that's just because I wanted to test the We're gonna leave it. We'll fix it later because I was gonna get through this list. Control-Shift-C. And I did see your message, indicator. I'll look at it here in a second. I'm kind of still trying to get stuff sorted out. Did I make myself a resource loader and saver for my custom types already? Depends on what you mean. Do you mean for like... Do you mean for like all my items and stuff like that? Like all these guys? For the... Yeah, all that stuff is... Yeah, that stuff's been... That was done forever ago. Well, okay, so the thing is too, is I wasn't doing what Chris was doing, where I was looping through like a my file structure to get those resources. I wasn't ever trying to do that, so I never ran into the issue that he ran into of like the exported build being fine, or not being fine. The only times I'm ever like loading these resource files, I'm just doing the load that does work, whether that other option is checked or not. I don't even remember where I was at. Oh, I did the drill. So, duct tape. I don't even know how I want to begin to draw. Okay, well, duct tape usually has a small circle that the tape is like around. Let's do that. This is gonna be not completely hollow. Grab this guy. Let's... Okay, kind of like that, but I want it to be darker and less red. Oops. I need to make this less... Not really like any more reference images. Not really. Duct tape's a weird one to draw. Where did my... I had a thing full of just reference images. Maybe I'm trying to make it too small. Get rid of this. Oh, I should have saved that color though. Here we go. Oh, come on. I want my color. Give me my color back. There it goes. Grab that guy. Let's go ahead and save that there. It kind of looks like duct tape. Maybe I want it to be a smidge darker. Oh, that's literally the color I was using now. Let's make it a bit darker. Maybe I do want this to be a bit brighter now. I think what I'm gonna do is let's pull this to the side a bit, and then let's do this lighter gray and kind of do that. And then we gotta outline this bad boy. It does look like a snail now. Gotta darken this up just a bit. Give it the eyes. Like that. Well, I was about to say, I'm pretty sure duct tape is like a copyrighted term, but I was like, oh wait, duct, like what it actually is, duct tape. I don't think that's like copyright anything, but duct tape, the brand is. I could totally call this like snail brand duct tape just because it kind of looks like I might write that down and just remember. But I think also if I oops, no wait, I'm on the eraser. I think that looks a little bit better. I guess all this duct tape does come in like a white. I was thinking it was like cardboard, but I guess it is a white like tube. Now it kind of looks like a tire. Good enough. I was saying my stream the other day, I think actually it might have been yesterday, that I'm not gonna get caught up too much on a lot of the art, since a lot of this is just so I have stuff in for the playtest, and that honestly by doing you get better. So if I just go through and do all these things, I'll get better at it, and then I can go back and redraw some of these if I don't like how they look. Gas tank. This is actually supposed to be one of these little... Actually, hold on. It's supposed to be one of these little guys. There's a piece of pure ref. That's what I was looking for. Oh, is this something I have to install? I thought I... I had pure ref installed. I haven't used it in forever, but this is like a prime time to like actually use pure ref, so I can just drag stuff in. Yeah, I don't. Okay. Yeah, what I'm literally looking for is just one of these plastic, red plastic, like essentially a jerry can. So what I'm kind of looking at here is probably about that. But then I kind of want that like angle here. Let's say probably there. What am I? Oh, I've got the square tool still selected. That's why. And then I kind of need like a little black cap here. No, it's... I think it's a little too much. Drag this out a bit just so I can have some space to work with. So let's move you out of the way. Let's put you back up in your spot. So I can also do that just to make you fit. Okay, so I think I want to make you just a smidge taller. That's probably what I wanted. And then I'm gonna drag this over just a bit. Oh, come on. There we go. That's that. Because then now what I want to do is cut out essentially a hole for the handle. And then I need to move this bad boy over just a smidge more. Because I've also been getting too worked up on these icons, forgetting that like on the screen they're going to be like that big. All right, so that's it for the gas can. Did it save in the right spot? What did I do last time? Duct tape. Okay. All right, so that's the gas can. Oh, I guess keep it called gas tank just to keep it consistent with the everything else in here. Hammer. Oh, we're down in the tools. Okay. Hammer shouldn't be too hard to do. I need a brown, but like a lighter. I botched that so bad trying to draw that because I've been too late. I'm too lazy to go grab my tablet. I should just grab it. Something like that, and then I don't know if I'm liking the claw part as much right now. It feels really stubby is the problem. Maybe if I do that, make the metal part longer. I think this is one of those ones where I gotta extend this out a bit. It just feels too short. That feels a lot better. I think I want a lighter silver though. Probably like bluish too. Oh, you know what? I've seen this one pop up a few times. I'm gonna do like a yellow. And then like a dark brown that... like almost a gray dark brown. There we go. The other thing I could do, and the problem is I think if I make some of these sprites like diagonal, they probably would help, but the drawing things at a diagonal is not a skill I have in pixel art yet. Okay, nail. Super easy. I think I need to lower that just a bit. The head is too... See, it's too stubby is the problem. And if I shrink this down to like even just being 1, I lose a lot of what I want here. I think so I gotta move it up, move that down. Oh no, these are actual like fingernails. I want like a hammer and nail. That's not helping. I'm like overthinking it. It's a nail. How does... Maybe I can't. Okay, actually, maybe if I... Yeah, I think that does a bit better. Yeah, no worries, man. I know it's like crazy o'clock in the morning for you. I always appreciate hanging out for a little bit, the little bit you do. So that's a nail. Export that out. A metal pipe. This is probably one I'm gonna have to do I'm gonna have to do diagonally. Probably makes more sense to be rounded. Straight line tool, yep. Snap there, and we can snap there. And then I'm going to take this, and I actually want to bring this down just a smidge. And let's just bring this out just a bit. And actually, I think get rid of that. There we go. We got a little pipe. Sorry, my phone's just going off. My parents live in Florida, so they're dealing with the hurricane right now. Okay, so we got the pipe in, I believe. Yes, we did. So that's the pipe. Propane tank, large and small. I think what I'm gonna go ahead and do is open up Pure Ref. Or I'm gonna install it quick. This is gonna be on this drive. Nope, not that drive. On this drive under software. Make new folder. Pure Ref. Okay. Oh. You made one for me. Okay. That. Sure. So this should probably install relatively quickly. There we go. So now I can do like so these I'm meaning like the tiny little guys. But I'm also I gotta do a big one too, so that's kind of what I want there. It's kind of, here's a good reference for some more cartoony ones. I'm getting like literal like military vehicle tanks. This also isn't too bad. Question is now fitting this into the yeah, I'm gonna have to make this a bit taller. It's fine. And then I want the little brass guy like right here with the really dark gray like nozzle, because that's where the thing's gonna go. And then behind it is kind of the oops. That needs to be a bit more gray. There we go. Let's darken this up a bit since this is kind of down here. And this needs to be lightened up a bit since it's kind of the top of the... And then... kind of want the... See if I can get a little flame on here. That's pretty good. All right, where did I save that? All right, so this is gonna be propane tank large. Now we gotta build the draw the little green one. They're like the little camping ones. Which these are gonna be pretty easy because I just need a shrink this down a bit. There we go. and this kind of has like an orangey red. See if I can nail that little you know, open this bad boy. Okay, so if can I do this? I guess I can actually also just grab the... Oh, that did work. Okay. Oh, it's probably because I have the same color in the palettes. That's why. Let's grab that. Come back over here. Get rid of that, and then trying to do one of these. That's way too busy. I'm not liking this orange stripe though. I don't really know how else to... Unless I do kind of one of these. I might also put the little brass piece on here. All right, a saw, probably like a little hand saw. I'm getting a bunch of from Jigsaw from... I'm getting way too much of Jigsaw. Handsaw, there we go. This guy's definitely gonna have to be a bit longer. So what I'm looking at here is probably that down. Oops. So probably like that, and then you're gonna have that, and kind of like a weird, like that, and then something like that. I kind of want to round off the handle too. There we go. Now the saw blade is going to be the interesting one. Because it's going to be... I don't really know how to go about this one. Put you back, drag you back. There we go. Set this back to the circle tool. Actually work. Oops. Does. Okay. I think what I'm gonna do here is I spelled this wrong. Sawal. That's a saw blade. Screw is gonna be weird. Let's open up the nail. Then what we're going to do here is we're actually going to have move you down a bit. There we go. That's the screw. That's too much. I spelled that wrong. Screw.png. Okay. Screw nuts. Okay, how do I make this a... One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh wait, no. I need a bigger... I don't actually know how to represent this. Oh, come on. There we go. All right. So that's the nuts. Screwdriver. Finally, something kind of simple I can do. So let's see. The Drillo did yellow. The hammer also did a bit of yellow in. Oh, that's wrong. I literally cannot see. That's a screwdriver. Ooh, the wrench is gonna be real weird. It's a little thick. That's like a little thin. Okay, so let's... I gotta get more comfortable doing these angled ones. All right, so let's do... trying to see if I like, oh, hey, Zeppelin. If I do this, copy paste it, let's bring it over here, and then let's... how do I... It's in here somewhere. Edit, flip, vertical, edit, flip, horizontal. Wait. Edit, flip, vertical. Okay. Edit, flip, horizontal. There we go. Why is that not? Okay, so we need to do that. Go ahead and make this gray so I can try to outline this. The problem I think is I'm not long enough. Ah, come on. Okay, that's it. I gotta get my tablet out. My hand is cramping using my mouse. Drawing like this. Like that doesn't even look like a... Yeah, that doesn't even look like a wrench. I think doing the double-ended wrench is just going to be too difficult. Really like, okay, hold on. I'm trying to like do this. One, two, three, four. That's gonna come down one. That's definitely. Actually, I can move this guy way up farther. Be able to do that. I think I do want to brighten this up a bit. I also realized I named this the screwed driver, not the screwdriver. So that's... Oh, hey Zeppelin. Oh, I skipped over the toolbox. Zeppelin, you're in the way. I know you want to be up here, but you're in the way. Come on. Okay. Zeppelin, you're being really annoying and in the way. Yeah, I know you're the one who sat here. You knew you were gonna like this. Okay, so We need to do oh, let's get ourselves a toolbox. The thing is I also have a I had a sprite for this. The box. Oh, because it's in loot. Box scene. Yeah, I've got this sprite. What sprite is this? Oh, it's from an atlas. Okay, well, I mean, we can redraw this. That's not a huge deal. Clearly, it's taken up the entire bottom row. 1, 2, 5 up from the sides. And we're gonna go there, there. Like that. So it's gonna be 2 over that. On my pen, that's why. I should have gotten the paint drop tool. Oh well. That's what we're gonna do. So that. Oh, nope, that's an instance where I didn't want the paint drop tool. Because I also wanted to get this. Okay. We now have way too many freaking things open. Oh, all that stuff is open. Okay, there we go. Tools. Oh, those are the resource sprites. There we go. There's a whole bunch of just stuff that's got to be put into the game. And first things first is filling out all of this stuff. Oh. Terry grade circuit board. Oops, spelled wrong. I do like that it expands out. 3 phone power supply RAM USB. Wire. Call this power drill. Duct tape. Gas tank. Hammer. Nail. Metal pipe. Large. Those call you propane tank. This was also a propane tank. I realized these can be the same name. There's a bug I gotta sort out where I think in my stackable items I'm checking for something by name, which I shouldn't do. Saw blade, screws, nuts, screw driver, and a toolbox. All the stuff is loot. Okay, so description. A car battery. Might have some juice left. Board for a computer. Remember the old AI tools to generate some of these little things for me. Short description of a CPU loot item for my game. Oh man, I wish I could put the description somewhere else. Actually, I could. I 100% can. I pull up the item. Put this thing at the end. I can't have it up here. There we go. Now it's at the end. Right, the CPU like that. Rewrite the circuit board. Okay, I like that. Regular processor. Let's do the hard drive is this one. GPS, or not GPS, or GPA. Oh, it knew. Now, I'm wondering too if this is classified. Like, if I were to put the game on Steam right now, because I'm just using ChatGPT to like generate descriptions, is that something that's far enough that I have to like declare that I'm using AI for it? Like, I don't know. Like, I don't like its use of relic. Yeah, I don't know. It's some of the AI generated stuff just is not giving me. I've said this before too. I don't even know why I tried to go down this route, like, because I just couldn't think of like creative things here. AI gives crap. All right, let's just go through, and the icons are going to be the fun one. If I sort by there we go. GPS still doesn't. I don't want to sort by. I want to sort by the resource path. GPS, fine. GPU. RAM. Wires. Get that drill. That duct tape. Oh, there it is. Nope, nope. I said copy that. Oops. The saw blade, screw, nuts, screwdriver, toolbox and the wrench. Is equipable and consumable is stackable. None of that stuff matters yet. Oh god, okay. So now we need loot tables. But what is cool though is we can kill all these sprites down. To go to the hideout. Oh, this, I need to break these rooms up into their own thing so I can, because the scene hierarchy stresses me out so much. Action, okay. Objects, let's get out of here. Scenery, let's get out of here. This is cooler. Hey, Zeppelin. Where'd you go, Zeppelin? Oh, that didn't give me everything that I was hoping it would, did it? Yeah, that gives me nothing. Hello, Zeppelin. I also see a Jackson who's decided to come make an appearance. All right, so is there a way that I can rework these to actually take a resource? Load drops randi. Okay, what are you upset about? Should be string, but is item. Drops dash. Resource path. Can I do that? Because then in here, I wish it was, I wish I could do bulk. I need to, okay, so what I need to do is I need to make these loot tables. Zeppelin, don't chew on that. Hey, Zeppelin, don't chew on the wire. It's bad for you. Zeppelin, hey. Zeppelin. Zeppelin. Come on. Don't chew on the wire. Bad. And she goes right back to chewing on it. Okay, so how do I want to... This is where I do need to probably... For now, okay, we'll cross that bridge later. For now, I just kind of want to see what this stuff looks like. So we're going to do this the hard way. So how many do I got in here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I need to go up to 27. Okay, let's go through this long, tedious process of dragging all these bad boys in. We'll figure out we'll figure out how to do these loot tables at some point. So this thing should just start loading up a bunch of random... You know what I did? No, it's all in there. Am I taking an account... I don't have inventory item loot. Okay. item. Yeah, we don't have inventory item loot. Okay. It's fine. We just need to add that. Components, inventory components. Create new script. It's going to inherit from inventory item. Inventory item underscore loot. Great. Free item loot, which means, so I don't think, or class name, inventory item. I guess they don't need it because they're just an inventory item. There's nothing special about them. We're gonna create this just in case we want to do this. But actually we can kind of just do this. Pass that in, and it can just be inventory item, to be completely honest. That should work. But that's why nothing was showing up, because I hadn't taken account the new item type. Propane tank, phone, nuts, phone, hammer. I don't like how squared off that metal pipe is. The annoying thing here, though, is that I gotta figure out how I want to handle it. Because the problem is some of these sprites are small. Then the guns get too big. I don't know how to get them to fit. That's another bridge I'm gonna have to cross eventually, but it's not a concern right now. Do I do anything with is stackable? Let me inventory. See, I'm checking if new item is inventory item or a new item is the crafting material. That's not going to work in the future. I have a flag for this. This 100% is something that could just be if new item dot stackable, which I'm pretty sure. Inventory, if new item dot inventory item. Oh, I guess it would be more, it'd actually be item data. So we go, if item data dot. This would actually have to, so this would have to be item. That's why I'm not getting anything. And then item data dot is stackable. Which that change alone is going to cause weird things to happen. It's like, for example, if I go over here and buy from this guy, he's going to not stack. That's something we'll have to fix in the future. Oops. Which I feel like this is as good a time of any to fix this right now because we're doing so much with the item system. I can still use this item name thing. I don't like doing it, but I don't want to GUID that long. Because I should do item IDs. That's the real answer is I should do item IDs. But okay, so it's fine. If item data is stackable, or found or item found. So, because we're gonna have to do, oh man, because we gotta take into account the max stack. So we might not be this. This isn't. This shouldn't be an if else. Is what's happening here. So for every inventory item in the inventory, I think what we need to do is to move from inventory, remove ammo. So we're going to make a private function in here. Func add new item max quantity exceeded. You're gonna do is that a good name for that? Well, I guess we also decided that those slots don't matter. I don't actually need to do this. I don't actually need the max count because now the question is, do I make slots matter? And then the question is, if I do make slots matter, that makes things like ammo get weird. My ammo system would have to be completely rewritten. A lot of stuff would have to get for the time. Okay, for the time being, we're not going to worry about the slots. But we are going to do is stackable here, just because that's going to make this. That just makes it cleaner, because now I can just go through and anything that's stackable I can click. Anything, yeah, that's I said that weird and I was thinking about how I said that. I was like, did that make sense? Yeah, no, it's all right, so let's pull you back up. Okay, so what we can do now is over in our resources table, it's car battery, not stackable. Circuit boards, not stackable. CPU, GPU, hard drive, blah, blah, blah. Power supply. Wire. Stackable. Power drill, duct tape, gas tank hammer, nail. Nail is stackable. Screws will be stackable. Now if I go to like ammo, for example, all ammo is stackable. Or items, ammunitions, open up that bad boy. All of this modifier, blah blah blah. Theoretically, this shouldn't have broken anything. Like I've got, so first things first, if I go down to this guy and oh, I see something in the debugger. What do we got here? Main menu on start press cannot assign contents of array string to array object. What? Hold on. That's on what? Get tree, change scene to packed. I don't know why it's doing that. I'm gonna not worry about that right now. Okay, anyway, so if I talk to this guy and I buy this, that stacks correctly. And then if I buy like this gun, it doesn't stack. If I come here, invalid access to key or quantity and base object type of resource inventory item. Oh, you know what? It's probably because I didn't update the... I didn't update this nonsense. And then if I go to the load function... Oh, I did the load just now. So if I go to the save... all that stuff's in there. I'm looking for specifically something that's stackable. Like, give me... I mean, nuts are stackable. Save that. Nuts, move. Okay, so they didn't... stack. Let me check. Loot. Brew nuts. That's because nuts I didn't set to stackable. Okay, we missed that one. Let's kill that. All right, you are... Valid access property key, quantity on base object type or resource inventory item. Item has a weight. Everything in here has a weight of 1. You guys all have like janky weights. Attachments. You all should have. None of that should matter. Weight doesn't matter when I'm saving. Hey, boys. Stack trace. Load character data. Um. The inventory component. I'm not sure. I didn't do anything that should really mess with that. Armor attachment loot. Case for your loot. Add to inventory. Stackable. Cool. Loot. That's weird. Hold on. What? I'm so confused. Invalid access to property or key quantity on base object of type or resource. But you have a quantity. That's what I don't understand. Item has quantity. No, it doesn't. It's the inventory items. It's the inventory items that are screwing with it. Inventory item doesn't have a quantity. That should probably be something I put. One second. Cats were being weird. Couldn't tell if someone was at the door, if maybe my wife had just gotten home or something. Okay, so what I need to do is, so all this stuff is actually fine. Let's get rid of you, get rid of you. Get rid of you, get rid of you. Inventory item loot. What I want to do is I want inventory item, ammo, armor, attachment, consumable, crafting material, loot I got, weapon. I pulled that out of here, put you there. This is gonna break so many things. Item quantity. It's gonna break a lot of things. It shouldn't break anything, but I gotta delete my save file. It's like even on the vendor menu GD, I guess the base vendor. So the safe way to do this actually is in the inventory item. Is always going to equal 1. That way I don't have to fuck with things that are like a quantity of... If it's a single entity, I'll never have to mess with it. I only have to worry about the quantity if I'm dealing with bigger things. If, yep. Go. Yep, I get it. I got it. So did I actually clear out my... I did. Okay. Valid item quantity on base object of dictionary. Valid access property key item quantity on base object of type item dictionary. Oh, you know what? There's probably... Yeah, all of these things have to be changed to item quantity. Didn't I put that in the... I did put it in the base class. Ammo is upset. Oh, Jesus. That's not what I want to do. Player is still a little upset. Inventory item ammo should be good now. Why are you? Not parse global cost inventory item ammo from. Search for just quantity. Here, okay, that's fine. And in there, that's fine. God, I've got so many changes, but it's all art is the thing. Okay. Base object type resource. Oh. It's new item quantity. That's what was... How do I... Button up. That's fine. That's probably fine. That's fine. Item dot item quantity. There, so that should be everything. Valid access to property or key item content and base object type dictionary. But why? Oh, I see why. Okay. This. Go refactoring code. And now it's still upset about something. Keeping nothing in here. Okay, no, that's not what I wanted to open. Quit running you. Close you down. Jesus. You're not running. You're running. Projects, not project settings. Open user data folder. Thank you. Inventory. Nothing. In fact, let's go as far as to even delete it. The stash is probably what's fucking with it. I forgot about that. Okay. There we go. Oh geez, what is happening here? Oh, it's still this. Cannot assign contents of array string to array object. I don't know what's happening there. So something tells me that these are not going to work correctly. I just need something to drop that's going to be stackable. There we go. Yeah, so it notes, so I have it hard coded on the item descriptor. With all these scripts that are just stressing me out because I got too much stuff open now that I've tackled that problem. So the item descriptor basically has or no, it's not the item descriptor, it's the inventory UI item. This guy, there's a quantity. Set weapon sprite. Unless it's items description. There we go. Okay. Show. So if it's ammo, description visible, false, ammunition visible, and dot visible. What is underscore ammunition? D-box container. Do you have anything in here about quantity? Could do rest of attachments. Hide. No, it's definitely the inventory UI item. Because it's not the descriptor, it's the little box in the inventory. Inventory.ui. Okay, where? The GUI probably. Inventory. Inventory button scene. Have a label. You up. Inventory item. I have no idea. But I'm gonna run to the bathroom quick and think on this because I really gotta go. How is this quantity thing being used? Because the label is definitely... Inventory scene, okay. And the inventory scene, when you open the inventory, you're... Maybe it's in the inventory content component. Are you... Open inventory. Inventory component equals inventory component. Ah, if item. Okay, okay. So it's right here where this is happening. So we need to annoyingly... So we do need to load the... We do need to load the item, which kind of sucks, but okay. Var item data. This is just gonna be an item. Equals load item dots item path. Wait, item has. No. Okay, actually, well, okay, there's another way we can do this. If we don't actually have to load because we do have to save it. So if item dot item quantity is greater than 1, we do that. That's how that will fix that thing. Except no, not exactly, because any one of these to, yeah, because if there's only 1 in there initially, it's not gonna show. So I do need to load it and get it if it's stackable. That's fine. So this is gonna be var item data item is gonna equal load item dot item path. And then instead of doing this, I can literally just do if item data dot is stackable. If I really wanted to, no, well, no, I don't want to do that because that would just, because of the current state, it would. I feel like fundamentally I'm going to be changing my inventory system probably quite a bit because the more I'm thinking about it, the more now I kind of want to do like other things. You see, now these are all 1. I can move that and it becomes 2. So now if you tab out of there, save it, reload it. We know this is a stackable item, so we can just drop that in there. And the funny thing is he might buy these. Oh yeah. Okay, so he's capable of he's capable of this kind of stuff. The only thing we need.